rattles in my brain. Yeah, I gotta get away. Always waiting for the...
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Halloweek. It is day 2 and I'm really excited for today's video because I'm doing Little Red Riding Hood. Little Red Riding Hood with a twist. And I'm going to have two versions. This like semi-ugly, semi-pretty Red Riding Hood, and then one that's all bloodied up that looks like this. So you're going to have two to pick from. Now, Halloweek is going to be going on all week long, every single day for 7 days, a new Halloween makeup look, outfit, and nail tutorial on my Instagram every single day for 7 days. So if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of those videos to come, because we have some bomb costumes and I'm super excited to share them with you. So like I said earlier, I am also doing a nail tutorial for each individual look, and that little mini tutorial will be on my Instagram, on my feed. I will link it down below, so make sure after you see this video you go check that out. Today's is so cool and so bomb. The red matte nails with the werewolf scratches on 3 of the nails to create accent nails is just really, really cool and a cool touch to your costume. So if you were thinking of doing Little Red Riding Hood, I have some cool stuff in store as well as my full outfit. Now, everything I did use will be linked below, as well as everything that I used for my nail look, for my costume will be linked down below, so make sure you check out the description box. So I hope you guys really like this look, and let's just get started.
Alright, so I am wearing contacts again, and I think these look so awesome with Red Riding Hood, especially when you're making her look like she's been bit or something by the werewolf. So I'm starting with my face. I'm using a primer, foundation, concealer. I'm going to set my face and just start basically doing my makeup like normal. This is a very easy look.
Always waiting for the phone, so I built my towers tall, wandering through these empty halls. Break the cycle there.
So I'm using the Fenty cream bronzer in the shade Teddy, and I'm really going to deepen those hollows of my cheeks. I'm really going to go a little bit overboard with the bronzer. I told you guys earlier that it's Halloween, it's going to be dark, so going a little heavier is better. And I am going to be wearing the hood as well, so if I go a little bit darker, it's totally fine. For blush, I'm using this e.l.f. blush in Brick. I think it's the perfect red color to match the Red Riding Hood outfit without being too much. So I'm literally putting this all over.
Gotta save me from myself. This emptiness, it hurts like hell. My good intentions let me down.
I'm also putting this over the eyes and just really blowing it all out.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Look my fear right in the eye. I just wanna feel alive. I just wanna feel.
So I'm going with a highlight. This is the Dominique Cosmetics Golden Dew. I actually regret doing this because this highlight really makes your skin look textured. So I would just go in with a different highlight altogether, and it would really make your makeup look a lot more smooth, because you can tell now that I put that on, my skin looks a little more textured. So I'm kind of just putting some mascara on my eyebrows and just making them stick up more and have like that bushy look. That's kind of what I'm going for.
insane. Silence rattles in my brain. Yeah, I gotta get away.
Okay, so now I'm going in with this like orangey red brown, and I'm putting that all over the lid with a blending brush and really blending that out. I'm going in kind of messy and putting that in the lower lashes and also just like basically over the highlight area too. You just want to blow that whole area out. And this would have blended a lot easier if I didn't have that cream highlight. Then I'm going to get a different medium brown and I'm really going to blend everything. I'm going to go in with this red from the Nikki Tutorials palette and I'm going to put that all over the lid. The key here is just using a fluffy blending brush and just blending and blending and blending and mixing different colors to create dimension, and the point is for it to look really cool in darker lighting. So if you have like a Halloween party that's like bright lights, I wouldn't go this crazy. But if you don't, I mean, no one's gonna have Halloween parties, come on. The point is that I'm going a little bit darker, a little bit more crazy, because this is a costume and we're gonna be in darker lighting, so. Then I'm getting into these lashes in Amour, but then I decided to go over that highlight in the attempts to fix it from looking so textured, but it didn't really work. So that's that. I'm putting these lashes on. These are some of my favorite lashes of all time and they're so affordable. I'll link them below. And now I'm going in. This is a brown eyeliner and I'm just going to use that as an eyebrow liquid liner, honestly, and I'm really going to make everything look very woofy. And then I'm going in with a white eyeliner on top of that just for a little bit of extra something. This whole look would have looked so cool with fangs. Last year I got these like vampire fangs that look like real teeth. I couldn't find them, so I didn't put them on, but that would totally look so good with this look, you guys. I would definitely recommend them. I'll link them down below. And they're reusable and they look like your actual teeth. Anyways, here I'm making myself look a little bit more angry. And then I decided to put this red mascara on the lower lashes. Last, we're just finishing off with a very, very vampy lip. So I wanted to go into this icy shade and put that all over the inner corner, and I think that really made everything pop. And if you want to go a little extra, you could just put some vampire blood and mix it with some clear gloss to make it a little thicker. And you can just add some vampire blood on you. Again, if you wear those things that I'm talking about, that would look so cool, especially with blood all over. It would just make it look like you're turning into a werewolf, but you're not in the werewolf stage. It just would look really cool. So that's it, guys.
hope you guys really liked this whole entire look, and I hope you liked having the two options of like a sweet semi-werewolf Little Red Riding Hood and a bloodied up, eating things, just blood everywhere type of Little Red Riding Hood. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to come back tomorrow for another video, another costume, and go check out my Instagram right now so you can see how I did these super cool nails for Halloween. I will link it below. Bondbeautyful, go see that. Give me some love on my Instagram. And yeah, I guess I'll just see you in tomorrow's video. Bye guys.